Hello beautiful people, my name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day. And today's video is a makeup subscription box unboxing video for you. Today we're doing the unboxing of the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for August 2019. Today we're going to be unboxing this. This is the upgraded Ipsy box. So you know Ipsy is originally like an Ipsy bag. It's like $10 a month. You get a bunch of small like sampley stuff. But you can now upgrade to an Ipsy Plus, which is what I did, for $25 a month. And you get this box of full-size products. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright guys, as always, all makeup on this channel is cruelty-free, and I've only received one thing in an Ipsy bag that wasn't cruelty-free before, so that's really good. And I do pay for this myself. I'm not affiliated with Ipsy, but I'll leave my little referral code down below anyways, just in case you were interested. But everyone has like the same referral code, I think. I'm not sure how that works. Let's go ahead and dive right on in. So for $25, I hope this is worth it, because I feel like with so many subscription boxes lately, some of them are really good and then some of them are misses. I feel like lately Ipsy Plus has been really good, but I'm always scared when we have like a series of good boxes that one's just going to be absolutely horrible, so let's hope it's not. But we have yellow foam this time, and then this is the inside of the box. It looks like we have a theme of Bury Yourself for August, and then one more thing, add-ons. On September 2nd, you can add extra products to your September Game Bag Plus for just $3. Okay, so September 2nd, I need to pay attention. And then here we have the products and the retail prices of everything. I'll also leave the retail prices of everything on the screen for you. So let's dive right on in. We see a brush set first. So this is from Farah Brushes. I think before I've only gotten one thing from Farah before in a box, and it was like the double-ended tweezery thing with a flat end and a pointy end. So this is a brush set. You get 5 brushes. I think those are really pretty with the nice crystallized handles. So these brushes retail for $50. That's not a $50 brush set. The bristles don't even look like that amazing. The handle's really cute, but this is not a $50 brush set. But yeah, these look really cute. Anyways, so I'm glad to have them in here. I think it's definitely worth being in a $25 a month box. I wouldn't pay $50 originally priced for them though. So let's move on. I cannot get my eyes off. We have a Huda palette that I have this one already, I think. I have this one. So this is the Coral Obsessions palette from Huda Beauty. This retails for $27. This is a cute little eyeshadow palette. Let me run and see if I have this already, and if I do, I'll do some swatches for you. Okay, so I do own the Coral Obsessions palette already. I have never even used it yet. That's why I didn't know if I had it. So let's do some swatches. Shimmer, shimmer, matte, matte. That's what they look like. And we'll do the yellow as well. And then for the thumb, we'll do this other shimmer. There's mostly mattes here. There's only 2 shimmers in this palette, which I appreciate because I love mattes. Here's how they swatch out on... This is the terrible swatching idea. They swatch okay. I was just like, nah, nah. That's how I swatched them. I swatched my thumb back here. But anyways, the Coral Obsessions palette is a really cute color story. I really like it. I like that there is yellows and oranges and red tones in here. It definitely reminds me of the ColourPop Yes Please palette, which is my favorite palette of all time. But of course the Yes Please palette is only $16 retail price. But this is super cute, easy to store and travel with. So we have the Coral Obsessions by Huda Beauty palettes in here, and it's really pretty, and I really like these cute little palettes. So let's move on to the next thing in here. Oh, I guess I can take this out. We already saw this. So in here we have another Perlis. We just got something from Perlis in an Ipsy bag. It was a pink box though. I think it was like a watermelon primer. But this is a Perlis Blue Otis Daily Moisturizer with SPF 30 sunscreen in it. So it's just a moisturizer. So what it looks like. I think these are really expensive too. So this retails for $45. I like that there's SPF in this moisturizer. I do like SPF in moisturizers for the extra protection. However, I don't know if I want another Perlis thing so soon after just having one. But this is what the Blue Otis Daily Moisturizer looks like out of the box. I've heard really good things about this brand so far from people who like it. They say it's good for normal, dry, and even sensitive skin. Which, I love a good moisturizer. You're always going to need one, so it's good to have a backup of one if you don't already own one, or if you already have one that you like. But this is the next thing in the box, so it retails for $45. Looks like we have 2 more things in here. So this next thing, this is heavy. What is this? This is a mascara. So it's a Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. If I believe in that. It's an Orchid Stem Cell Complex from Thrive Cosmetics. It's just a really heavy mascara box. This is what the back looks like. Do not tell me. This is so inaccurate. You're not going to tell me she looks like this and looks like that. That's not how this works. That's not how eyelashes work, ma'am. But let's go ahead and see. So this is a single swipe lengthening mascara. It retails for $24. It's real heavy. It's a heavy tube. So this is what the mascara looks like. And then we'll open it up and show you the wand. This is what the wand looks like. Very narrow. The picture shown on the box is absolutely ridiculous to me. Like, can we just look at this again? Like, there's no freaking way. That's not even, like, even the Better Than Church mascara from Too Faced wouldn't advertise this picture. So, I don't believe that. Cosmetics, sorry, but, like, it might be a really good mascara. It might be really, really nice. This is in the shade Brine, which is a rich black. $24 I don't think is the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard in the world for a mascara. It's very heavy, feels nice. Just the picture on the back just kind of irritates me. Like, you know, it's so unrealistic. But let's move on to the last thing in the box, which is covered in bubble wrap. Let's make sure that's the last thing. Yep, that's the last thing. Ipsy, please keep doing this pink and yellow thing. I'm really digging it. So next in here, I like this is bubble wrap for extra protection. I appreciate that. I don't know what it is though. Is this from Smith & Colt? Mine's dented all to hell. Like, I guess it's supposed to be pretty and stuff. It's dented. Dented. Even in bubble wrap and the foam. So this is Smith & Colt Forever Fades Fast nail lacquer. It's a nail polish. This is a big nail polish, y'all. You would never need a nail polish this big. It's heavy. It's glass. It's dented. It's a beautiful color. Do not get me wrong, but your girl can't wear good nail polish colors. Like, you get this color all the time. You know why? Because my hair dye stains everything, even with clear coats over my nail polish. So your girl can't wear this pink color. She can put it on. It'll look cute for a day and then it'll be purple. But this is the nail polish color. It's really pretty. I like how muted it is. It's definitely my kind of color if I could wear this color on my nails. I like it. I don't really like getting nail polishes in makeup boxes. Like, I didn't sign up for this. But this is $18, which I don't think is bad considering nail polishes are really expensive. This is a really big bottle and it looks very fancy. It looks luxurious. I was kind of hoping it was like, it kind of looked like a serum packaging to me. But this retails for $18. So let's go over everything that we got in this month's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. So we got this nail polish, this nail lacquer, which retails for $18 from Smith & Colt. We have this lash extension mascara from Thrive Cosmetics, which retails for $24. We have this Perlis Blue Otis Daily Moisturizer with SPF 30 in it, which retails for $45, which sounds expensive. We also have this Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette, which is my favorite thing in the box this month, which retails for $27 and is very, very cute. We also have these Farah Brushes, which comes in a 5-pack for $50 retail price. They don't even look that pretty to be $50 for like this little brand I don't really hear of for brushes, but anyways. That is it for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for August 2019. Tell me guys in the comment section down below what you think of this month's box. I think it's pretty good. Like, I think a lot of people will get a lot of use out of like these things, like the palette, the brushes, the mascara. I'm not sure how many people will use the moisturizer just because everyone has moisturizer in their collection already. And then the nail lacquer is a little bit disappointing to me, but everything else in here seems really good and I definitely think it's worth a $25 value, especially since there's a Huda palette in here. I feel like that's a lot of the value and a lot of people will eventually use the brushes anyways, even though they wouldn't pay $50 retail price for it. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let me know if you got something different in the comment section down below. I know Emily, a girl I work with, said she was getting a IT foundation in her Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and I was really hoping to get that because I want an IT foundation. But anyways, thank you guys so much. Let me know what you got, and I will see you next time. Bye.